Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'll guide you through what to do if your Instagram add to story is missing. The very first thing you can do to fix this problem is to go to your app or Play Store and find out if you're able to update Instagram. This is one of the first ways to actually fix this issue. So go to your App Store and search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. Right now, for me, there's no update available. If there's an update available, it will say Update rather than Open. So if you're on the App Store or Play Store, go ahead and update Instagram. By doing so, it'll most likely eliminate the problem. If you're unable to update Instagram, go to your phone settings and then scroll down to find apps. Tap on that, and then I'm going to search for Instagram in the search bar. Tap on it and go to Storage and clear the app data. Then you want to go back to Permissions, and you basically want to allow all of these. Then you'll need to open Instagram again, and then you'll have to sign back in. It should be like a brand new version so that you'll be able to share or add all kinds of posts to your story. I hope this information is useful. Do let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.